Hello, good day, my dear students, and welcome to Al-Nur Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Calvin, and welcome back to our computer class. We are now in Chapter 7, Lesson 6. It's about the variables. This lesson can be found on your textbook pages 78 to 80. And here are the objectives of our today's lesson. First, to recognize the definition of a variable, and the second one is to identify the use of the variable. And here are the materials needed. First is your right-click book, your pen, and your computer desktop or laptop with a Scratch application. Now, let's talk about variables. So when we say variable, it is compared to a box that keeps the information used by the program. The content of the variable may vary throughout the program. For example, the score of a game is stored in a variable and varies throughout the game. I wanted to open the labyrinth game from the previous lesson, and this time we are going to add a chronometer. By the way, what is a chronometer? A chronometer keeps track of the total time each player takes for their own move. So here are the steps that we need to make in order to add a chronometer. First, in the category data, click on make a variable, just like what you see on the screen. Then, the second one is to name the new variable chronometer, then click on OK. The third step is look at the set of blocks corresponding to the new variable. For step number 4, we have to count the seconds. Build the script that you can see on the screen, which is subject to a chronometer that counts the seconds. So first, the initial value of the variable will be set to 0. Then add 1 to the variable after each second, just like what you see on the screen. Here we have wait 1 second. Then change chronometer by 1. And of course, to make the game more professional, create the variable score, then build the script that you see on the screen. So when I click on the flag, the code will be when flag is clicked. Set the score for 100. So you have to build the block, set the score to 100. Repeat indefinitely, the block will be forever. And if the color black is touched, the code will be if touching colored black, then go to the initial position. Then you have to build the block, go to X and Y. And to add -5 to the score, the code will be change score by -5. So here's the example of the labyrinth game from our previous lesson. And if you will notice, I added here the chronometer, which is set to 0. In this screen, you will see that the chronometer is now 15 because I tried to play this game and I finished it in just 15 seconds. But I'm pretty sure if you will try it by yourself, you can finish the game in just 5 to 10 seconds, right? So try it and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. Now, on page 80 of your textbook, I want you to answer these exercises. We have exercise 1, exercise 3, okay? Try it at home and build them in using your Scratch application. Then let's check what will the result be. That would be all, my dear students. I hope you learned something from today's lesson. But before I end, let me just leave you the quote of the day, which says, "Work hard in silence and let success make the noise." Thank you and have a great day.